This is the SwitchBot Lock Pro, and it might be one of the easiest ways to turn a regular door into a smart door without replacing your existing lock. Sounds great, right? But after spending time researching real-world reviews and user experiences, I discovered one thing that SwitchBot doesn't exactly highlight in its marketing. It's incredibly convenient, surprisingly versatile, and potentially perfect for renters. But it's also far from perfect. So, is the SwitchBot Lock Pro actually worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. SwitchBot Lock Pro Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? The SwitchBot Lock Pro is a retrofit smart lock from SwitchBot, released in 2026. Unlike traditional smart locks that require replacing your existing deadbolt, this one attaches directly to the inside of your current lock and physically turns the thumb turn for you. That means you keep your original keys, your existing exterior hardware, and in most cases, you can install it without drilling new holes. It's designed primarily for renters, apartment dwellers, smart home enthusiasts, and anyone who wants smart lock functionality without permanently modifying their door. The biggest selling point here is flexibility. Add the optional keypad, fingerprint reader, NFC support, or Matter integration, and you've got a surprisingly capable smart home device. SwitchBot Lock Pro Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? This is where the SwitchBot Lock Pro gets interesting. Across multiple expert reviews, the lock consistently earned praise for being responsive and reliable once properly installed. Lock and unlock commands happen quickly, and activity logs update almost instantly, which is exactly what you want from a security device. In everyday use, the convenience factor is huge. Imagine coming home with groceries in both hands and unlocking your door with a fingerprint instead of digging through your pockets for keys. Or giving temporary access to a family member while you're away from home. The fingerprint unlock experience, when paired with the keypad touch accessory, is especially impressive. Most reviewers found it fast and dependable. But it's not all perfect. Installation can vary dramatically depending on your existing lock setup. Some users reported a quick 10 to 15-minute installation, while others needed significantly more time to get everything aligned properly. And if alignment isn't perfect, smart locks can become frustrating very quickly. Features and tech. Let's talk about the features that make the SwitchBot Lock Pro stand out. First up is the retrofit design. This is honestly the biggest reason many people will buy it. You don't replace your existing lock, which means renters can usually install it without violating lease agreements. That's a huge advantage. Second is the multiple unlock methods. Depending on your setup, you can unlock using your smartphone, fingerprint, PIN code, NFC card, voice assistant, or traditional physical key. That flexibility means everyone in your household can use whatever method they prefer. Third is Matter compatibility. With the appropriate hub configuration, the Lock Pro can integrate with Apple Home, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and other Matter-supported ecosystems. That's important because it future-proofs your smart home investment. And finally, remote access. Add a SwitchBot hub and you can lock or unlock your door from virtually anywhere. That's incredibly useful if you're expecting deliveries, guests, or service providers while you're away. Design and build. Aesthetically, this is probably the most divisive part of the SwitchBot Lock Pro. The good news is that the build quality feels solid. The lock uses metal construction and feels substantially more premium than the original SwitchBot lock. The less good news? It's big, and I mean really big. Compared to many competing smart locks, the Lock Pro sticks out noticeably from the inside of your door. Some reviewers described it as bulky, and that's honestly a fair assessment. Now, whether that matters depends entirely on your priorities. If convenience and easy installation matter more than minimalist design, you'll probably be fine with it. Battery life. Battery life is actually one of the stronger aspects of this lock. The Lock Pro uses 4 LA batteries, and SwitchBot claims around 9 months to a year of operation, depending on usage patterns. That's solid performance for a smart lock with a motor powerful enough to operate various lock types. Pros. Easy retrofit installation with no lock replacement required. Multiple unlocking options, including fingerprint and NFC. Strong smart home integration with Matter support. Cons. Some advanced features require additional purchases. Installation can be tricky, depending on your lock setup. Final verdict. So, who is this for? And is it worth the money? If you're a renter, apartment owner, or someone who doesn't want to replace their existing lock, this is one of the most compelling smart lock options available. The retrofit approach solves a real problem that many competing products simply don't address. If you're already invested in a smart home ecosystem, the Matter support and accessory options make it even more attractive.